Hey guys, it's Lilac Style Caribbean and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through a day in my life as a model and a content creator. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, I'm going to start with taking off this headband first and getting my hair fit.
Late nights, been on long flights, stayed on strange time. It's a strange time in my life. I took a drive home to clear my mind, and I ended back at your spot for what felt like the millionth time. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control, I let you in too close. So baby, just go ghost.
Okay, so guys, this is the final look. I went for a very simple and neutral makeup because I'm going to be using a different outfit to shoot.
You called, I let you in and full.
So guys, let's hit the road. So guys, I'm here to pick up my friend, my assistant photographer for today. So so you guys should wait to see her. So guys, this is the assistant photographer for today. So guys, this is the location we used for the shoot. The place looked so clean and neat, you guys.
Now baby, just go ghost.
So at some point, my frontal decided to embarrass me, you guys. But I mean, it wasn't so bad.
I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control, I let you in too close, I never wanted someone to disappear.
So guys, it's a wrap. We did it. We don't did it. So guys, after the shoot, I and my friend went out to go chill. We got food, and afterwards we went to get some ice cream. We kind of like relaxed because we had so much fun, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of all, please subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.